roast. Well, 2. Oh, look at that meat. The best kind of roast. Let's see, this one says beef chuck. Let's see what it says. Boneless beef English roast. Okay. $129, $250. That's a lot of meat. 4.5 pounds of meat. Yeah, I could put that in there. I hope. I hope. Okay, here we go. On with the stove. Oh, can you see? I did this with my braid, and I had to clip it up right here, keep it off my ear. There's another video on how to do the herringbone braid, fishbone braid. Detroit. That's why that herringbone is stuck in my head. Anyway, back to the roast. And I have already washed my hands. Yes, I have. Try on the other side first. Don't like slimy hands. I highly doubt the other one will fit in here. Gotta brown them. You don't know why. I mean, when it wasn't brown, turned out just fine. It kind of looks a little better when you do it like this. I think it toughens it up. I don't like it tough. Rinse this out so I have somewhere to set my tongs. Where I'm the only one that does this. The I Dream a Genie dance. For real though, we're into the room. What goes with the room? Potatoes and carrots and celery. We're gonna flip this. going to set the tone. Now, oh, yeah, my daughter used all the vanilla extract, and she left it in the front. And she says, Mom, I need more. I'd like it in my pancakes and French toast. That's a lot. But when you pour too much, see, you can just spread it around. This is meat tenderizer anyway, so you need it. Yeah, parsley, just a dash. And then this is dash. Just a little, because I don't use pepper. And there's pepper in this. And that, I believe, is enough on that side. And this minced onion, I'll douse it in tissue. Okay, and then I want some seasoning sauce. Here it is. Now from special ingredient, the salt. That one's pepper. The salt. After this one's done browning, I shall transfer it to this one. And then we put the other one in. Yep. The flame ain't full blast. And it ain't on really low. Whoa! I think I burn myself every time. The handle does get a little hot. But the copperness, it's a game changer. And I love it so much. I went and bought the cookie sheet. I went and bought that net thing. Here it is. I could put my roast in this and stick it in the oven, you know, like a normal person. Let the juices all drain out here, but you know what? We like that juice. Like, keep it. And this came with this. Fits in here, but the lid don't fit on it with this here. This and this one. You make French fries or steamed broccoli, all kinds of stuff. Can you see it even? Yeah, you see. You can see it. That heart-shaped cake pan that I have, I made my daughter a chocolate cake for her birthday. All the cupcakes were emojis. And then the cake, I took the heart and I flipped it up around and upside down and I made it all chocolate. I put the poop emojis, eyes, and smiles. And then some of the cupcakes I made some chocolate ice cream piled up. And then I put faces inside of that pile. They were poop emojis. I had poop emojis and the face emojis. My daughter had an emoji, Sweet 16. Yeah, well, I thought it was clever. and she loved it, and they tasted great. Okay, now let me turn this down. And I want to flip it again. Oh, yeah. See, that's how it's supposed to look when it's around. Salt. Meat tenderizer. I don't ever put the slices on the meat raw unless it's I'm baking a chicken or a turkey. Seasoning salt. Parsley. Minced onion. And this is it. Okay, now I can turn it back up for a second. And we let that shit brown. How long are we in? 12. 2 minutes left. Okay. Well. Shoot. Just seeing how this one went brown. Move her over here. The other one. And I'm going to add that to this. That's a good looking piece of meat. Okay. This side's mine. And then Daddy and Katie can share that. No, I could not fit all that in my stomach. Ain't no way. This one's smaller, so it won't take as long. Browning. Salt. Mustache. Minced onion. Meat tenderizer. And seasoning salt. Did I miss anything? I get salt. A little more never hurts. Parsley. Okay. Now it looks like that. And it's going to go in there with that. And I'll show you the rest of the thing. Give that a little bit.